Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to change the app language on Trade Republic. Adjusting the language helps you navigate the app more comfortably in your preferred language. Let's get started. First, open the Trade Republic app. Log in with your account credentials to access the main dashboard. Next, go to the Settings menu. Tap on your profile icon or the gear icon, usually located at the top corner of the app, to open Settings. Then, select Language or App Language. This option allows you to choose from the available languages supported by Trade Republic. After that, pick your preferred language. Tap on the language you want the app to display, such as English, Spanish, or German. Next, confirm your selection. The app may prompt you to restart or refresh the interface to apply the new language. Finally, check the app interface. Once the language is applied, navigate through the app to ensure menus, options, and notifications appear correctly in your selected language. Quick tips. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to access all supported languages. Restart the app if the language doesn't change immediately. Choose a language you're comfortable with to avoid mistakes while trading. Changing the app language on Trade Republic is quick and helps improve your overall trading experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.